Hi friends, it's me when I see how close the Inktober challenge is. My name is Z, welcome to my art channel. I'm a picture book illustrator and really happy that you're here today. Inktober is right around the corner, and if you're like me, you're probably excited but also a little overwhelmed about how to approach all 31 prompts. So today I'm going to share some creative ideas you can try for Inktober, whether you want to tell a story, practice skills, or just have fun. One way is to create a character-driven story, pick or invent a special character and connect them to each of the 31 prompts. By the end of the month, you'll have a full illustrated adventure. For example, imagine a fox spirit traveling through each prompt. One day it's shadow, the next day it's castle. You can really see the character grow. Another inspiring path is to look at art history. Use masterpieces as a starting point and reimagine them through the prompts. For example, taking Van Gogh's Starry Night and redesign it with the prompt Spark. It helps you study composition and color from the masters. You'll learn new techniques by breaking down their work. It's a great way to blend history with your personal style, and it sparks fresh, original ideas because you're remixing something iconic. And before going for the next steps and ideas, I would really appreciate if you click the subscription button. It would be really supportive and meaningful for my channel. Thank you. If you want to hop on trends, you can mix the prompts with something popular like Minecraft, LeBoubou, or anything else. This can help your art reach more people online. You can also use the prompts for practice. For example, try realistic studies like drawing hands or animals whenever the prompt fits. Inktober doesn't always have to be about fantasy, it can be about growing your technique. And the next idea is one I love. Go back to your old sketchbooks. Take forgotten or abandoned sketches and connect them to the prompts. It's like giving your old ideas a second life. I did these pages when I was visiting Paris for the first time in my life, and I got inspired from the Eiffel Tower. And having the sketches while you are traveling will be such a beautiful diary for memories for you. It's so interesting. I did these drawings for the last Inktober challenge last year, but I couldn't manage finishing the challenge, which I'm really passionate about doing the whole challenge this year because of all these reasons that I know that you will have a very huge progress if you stick to the challenge and draw every single day for 31 days in a row. Another approach is to illustrate your own daily life based on the prompts. If the word is freeze, maybe it's your morning coffee that got cold while you were drawing. This makes the challenge more personal and relatable. You can also type prompts to famous movies or TV shows. Imagine the mask prompt turned into a Phantom of the Opera illustration or rings inspired by Lord of the Rings, of course. This gives you a cinematic twist. And if you're stuck for ideas, AI tools can even help you brainstorm scenes or references to adapt into your own art style. Now let me give you more ideas on how to run your Inktober art challenge. You can have a style study. Try a different art style for each week. You can make copies of your favorite artist. Don't copy their ideas or their original work. Just copy their techniques, their composition, and the way that they see the things. Challenge yourself to stick to ballpoint, pen, markers, or even digital ink. You should try to stick to one medium only. Building one giant piece over 31 days is another great idea. At the end, you'll have a huge piece of work to show off. If you own a huge social media platform, you can let your followers vote on how you interpret a prompt. You can also have cultural inspiration. You can explore myth, folklore, or poetry connected to each prompt. Don't underestimate the minimalist approach. One-line drawings or silhouettes can be really standing out. I came up with a very nice idea to make collaborations. Do it with another artist and compare results. You can also build audiences together. And if you feel that you're not gonna do all the prompts because you have no time, you can combine prompts from different years or different days into one drawing. It can still be nice. If you have any question about what art tools and supplies you're allowed to use for this challenge, you just need to click the link above. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more art tips and inspiration. So those are some creative ways you can approach Inktober this year. The challenge is not just about finishing 31 drawings, but also about making it fun and meaningful for yourself. I'd love to know in the comments which idea you'd like to try, or if you have your own twist. Thanks for watching and happy inking!